Hi, Mr. X with glossary term variable. It's a letter, like X. The value of X varies from one situation to the next. In one instance, X equals 4. The next instance, X equals pi over 3. X changes its value. It varies, and so X is a variable. Now, why is there a picture of a lifeguard? Well, this is just a general picture off the internet of a lifeguard, apparently at the beach. Looks like it's the ocean out there. I had a lifeguard tell me once, admittedly at a swimming pool and not at the ocean, but I had a lifeguard say that all you had to do to learn how to swim was put your head underwater. I said, nah, it's got to be more, it's more involved than that. He said, no, actually, that's all there is to it. In other words, if you're not comfortable putting your head underwater, you're going to have a dickens of a time learning how to swim. If you're not comfortable being submerged, he said he would almost guarantee that you won't learn how to swim. On the other hand, if you are comfortable being submerged, if you're comfortable putting your head underwater, you can probably learn how to swim. And the more I've thought about it over the years since, the more I think that lifeguard was right. That's the key to swimming. Being able to learn how to swim. If you can stick your head underwater and not freak out, you can probably swim. If, however, sticking your head underwater freaks you out, you can't get there from here. I tell this little story because that's how it is with a variable. If you don't latch on to what a variable represents, what a variable stands for, you're not going to learn math. You're certainly not going to learn algebra, or geometry, or trig, or calculus, or anything else. This is really, really basic. If you understand what a variable represents, some quantity that changes from one instance to the next. In a particular problem, it's going to represent something. In the next problem, chances are it's going to represent something else. If you can get this concept of a variable, then with respect to mathematics, you will not sink. You will swim. At MrXmath.com, Mr. X takes the mystery out of math.